Hello everyone mga kachika! Welcome to Podcast 101, the pros and cons of podcasting. So hi, I am John and I am your host for today.
And I am Erica. So if you are new here, don't worry. We'll make this episode fun and informative.
True ka dyan, auntie. So I am Jaimilin. Ready na ba kayo to learn about podcast? Relax lang tayo mga kaibigan. Diba?
Yeah, so what's up listeners? I'm Kirby, your go-to guy for fun takes and witty comments. Get ready to laugh and learn.
Yes! So, before we proceed to our discussion for this afternoon, pwede ba kayo mag-share naman dyan ang inyong mga experiences sa podcasting? So, by the way nga pala guys, actually ako talaga yung una kong experience ng podcast, yung nakinig ako kila Gerald Napoles at saka yung Kim Molina, yung podcast nila parang very informative talaga siya kasi marami kasing mga information na sinasabi nila dun sa podcast. Hindi para sa radio na puro lang mga love song, mga quantity. Pero ito talaga yung podcast, parang very siya, informative talaga siya na platform. Di ba? Ikaw, Kirby, ano ba yung say mo dyan? Ano bang experience?
At alam mo, Besh, hindi lang siya informative but also entertaining din siya.
Bakit ba?
Kasi habang nakikinig tayo, nare-relax tayo, di ba?
Hala, baka yung mga sinasabi yung mga inspired yung mga listener natin ngayon. Oh my God! Hala.
True ka dyan, Besh.
Ikaw naman, Miss Sultan, ano ba yung mga chika mo dyan sa podcasting?
Maganda yung podcasting kasi kahit may mga ginagawa ka, di ba?
Di ba yan yung kahit nasa biyahe ka ng jeep?
Oo naman, kahit saan, pwede.
Oo, ganun para. Pero feeling ko bawal daw pag nagmimisa si Father. Bawal ka man. Bawal talaga yun. Marami na pala tayong mga experiences ng podcast in our real life at kanya-kanyang tayo. So, oo, tama. So, merong mga nagko-comment dito sa ating live. So, sabi ni Mr. Anthony Alavata. Sabi niya dito, so, ano nga ba ang podcast? Ano ba yung mga pinagsasabi nyo dyan? So, yan ang ating tatalakayin ngayon. So, ano nga ba ang podcasting? So, alright, let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is podcasting?
Ay nako, alam ko yan. So a podcast is a digital audio show you can listen to anytime, anywhere. It's like a radio show but on demand.
Exactly! Imagine listening to your favorite topics habang nagko-commute or nagpapahinga sa bahay.
Plus, there's a podcast for everyone. Whether you're running to crime, education, or even random kwentuhan.
Wow, that's a very informative. So, ang gagaling naman pala ng mga kagrupo ko dito. Maraming natututunan ng ating mga listeners, alam nyo ba? Pero right kayo dyan, podcasts are super accessible and diverse. But, are they really worth your time? Yan ang ating tatalakayin mamaya. Sa pagbabalik ng Podcast 101, the pros and cons of podcasting.
Oh, Edie, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Super yucky. Super ew. Wow. Ding 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 bro. 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 Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Wow. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Alright! Welcome back, listeners! So ngayon naman, pag-uusapan naman natin ang advantages ng podcasting.
Yes.
So, let's talk about the advantages first. So, bakit nga ba love na love ng mga tao ang podcast? So, Erica, ano bang say mo dyan?
Of course, kasi una, convenience. Where you can listen anytime while working out, cooking, or even before sleeping. That means na pwede kang mag-multitask.
Hello, perfect. Tama yun. Isa rin yung advantage yun, di ba?
Yes!
Pero kung isa ka talagang isa kang, for example, magkikinig ka, tapos mag-workout ka, parang nakakaano siya, di ba? Nagbibigay siya ng energy kasi
Yes.
nag-workout ka na, oh, tama, very good. So, ano ba, ikaw ba? Ano ba?
How about you, Kirby?
Aside from that, it's also super handy. It's like having a personal talk show host na laging ready to entertain and educate you.
True. It's also educational. You can learn new things from experts without expending too much time reading or watching.
Tama rin yun do, di ba? But, actually, it's affordable. So, alam nyo ba kung bakit? Kasi, you don't need expensive gadgets. Like, ang mga computers. Basta yung mga, oo, correct ka dyan. But, ano nga ba? But guys, aside from the advantages of podcasting, there is also a disadvantages, of course. So, yan naman ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon kasi aside na merong advantage, syempre meron din disadvantage. So,
Yes, of course. It is unavoidable to have downsides too. So, let's start discussing about the disadvantages. Kirby?
So mga friend, first, it can be time consuming. Some episodes are too long and you end up skipping parts dahil na
oo, tama. Kasi, for example, di ba nakikinig ka, di ba? Nakikinig ka tapos inutosan ka ng mama mo bumili ng ng sabon sa tindahan. So, meron kang na-miss kasi hindi mo siya na-post.
Yes.
Pero, second talaga, it is limited visual. Unlike YouTube or TikTok, di ba? Podcast kasi rely solely on audio only. Kasi kung visual learner ka, it might be not for you, di ba?
Yes.
So one also of the disadvantages is it's easy to get distracted. Like if you are multitasking, you might miss important details like that.
Tama rin yun. True.
Yes, lastly, the technical issues can ruin experiences like mahina ang signal, but good luck streaming.
Oh my God! Feeling ko talaga yung mga listeners natin ngayon is feeling mo ba ma-inspired pa sila gumawa? Pero, pero, para lang sa akin mga listeners, kung gusto nyo talaga yon at yun yung mga nagpapakasaya sa inyo, siguro try nyo rin guys ng podcasting. Baka naman yan yung magpayaman sa inyo in the future, di ba? So ngayon naman is patapos na tayo. Ngayon naman is pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano nga ba ang mga tips at mga final thoughts natin dito. So, what do we think about podcast? So, worth it ba sila?
Personally, it's definitely worth it because podcasts are a great way to stay informed and entertained.
I agree with you. You have to choose the right content that matches your interest.
Oh, 'di ba guys? Sabi nga ni Miss Sultan, you have to choose the right content that matches your interest kasi hindi ka naman 'di ba pwedeng gawa-gawa ka lang ng content na hindi ka interesado kasi parang hindi masaya, parang hindi makaka-relate kasi yung mga manonood nito or yung mga nakikinig. So, ikaw ba diyan Kirby?
check ka dyan, friend, and don't overdo it. Podcasts are great, but they shouldn't take over your priorities.
Hello! Oh my God! Pero true yan, sis. Alam nyo ba, balance is a key. Make podcast part of your routine but don't let them distract you from ano ba yung mga importante sa buhay, di ba? So, ngayon ay marami naman tayong na-share sa ating mga listeners. Siguro, magbabalik tayo mamaya sa ating mga fun ending, di ba? So, ngayon na guys, magpapaalam muna kami. Magbabalik kami. Diyan lang kayo.
I feel beautiful because I treat my hair with Kurutin. Kurutin? But not just Kurutin, dapat may plus. May plus? Kaya I choose yung Kurutin na may plus. Kurutin Plus!
Kung may problema ka, is your problem. Huwag kang maniniwala sa swerte. Malas yan. Huwag kang magsisinungaling kung hindi ka lang din magsasabi ng totoo. One wrong move. Magkakamali ka. Kung hindi ka nagkakamali, may tama ka na. Kung hindi mo na kaya, ipagawa mo sa iba. Hindi mo malalaman ang halaga mo. Kung wala kang kwenta, tahimik lang ako. Pero hindi ako maingay. Basta lagi mong tandaan na kahit anong pangit ng araw mo, mas pangit ka. Wala kang magagawa kung wala kang gagawin.
And that's it for today's episode. So we hope you have learned something from our discussion.
Yes, yes, yes! If you enjoyed this, don't forget to share it with your friends. Spread the podcast love!
Follow us for more fun and informative episodes. Salamat sa pakikinig mga ka-podcast.
Alright, thanks everyone. This has been Podcast 101, the pros and cons of podcasting. Bye!